going on YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be playing with my Color Festival palette from BH Cosmetics. I haven't played with this palette yet, so I'm excited to play with it. So if you want to see the look that I create, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm super excited to be doing this video because I've had the Color Festival palettes by BH Cosmetics, but I have not played with it yet. Oh my gosh. So I'm excited to play with it and see, like, how the color payoff is and so forth. It is a really beautiful, pretty palette. So I'm very excited to be playing with it today. So we're going to see. And you know, BH Cosmetics is very affordable. So this palette is very cheap. I think I paid probably, $15 or less. I'm not entirely too sure. I'll have it linked below on how much this palette cost me. But yes, we're going to get started. Alright, so to start, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Better Skin Maybelline Concealer. And this is in M400, which is medium deep. And I'm just going to prime it so my eyeshadow is going to have something to stick to. So let's go on and use my InStylish Beauty Blender and just pat that in. Ooh. Using my mirror, y'all. If y'all see me looking down, I'm sorry. Gotta see what I'm doing. Alright. So now that we got that all on, I'm going to take my Farrah buffing brush and we're going to start getting into this palette. And the first shade I believe I'm going to use will be Chic, which will be this shade right here. And I'm going to use it in my crease as a transition shade. Get that buffed in there. But how you guys doing? I know people are getting restless from sitting in the house. I know we are. We only get out we do get out every day, but only to go to the school because the elementary school that's in my school district is giving out, well, all the schools in my school district are giving out breakfast and lunch to the children. The kids have to be present. So we just go up there. We don't get out the car and they just hand it to us and they both get a lunch and a breakfast for the next day, which I thought that was really, really cool. So we've been actually doing that and that's like our little outing. I don't want to really go for a walk because a lot of people in my neighborhoods are going for walks and I just don't want to bump into anybody. So hey, it is what it is. Alright, so the next shade that I'm going to be dipping into is Rage, which is this dark blue color right here. Let's see how she comes out. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's nice. So I'm just going to put that right over there. Kind of give me... Ooh, this is pretty. And it's like a shimmer on the outside corner, which I never really did that. That's really pretty, you guys. I am liking. I don't want to go too high up. Just, I don't know. Yeah, so I wanted to play with this palette because it is super pretty. And I've had it for a while. And I was cleaning out my vanity. And I seen that I had this palette. And I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't even played with her yet. Which is crazy. But yeah, this color is beautiful, you guys. I'm loving it. This blue shade, it's like a dark blue, but vampy at the same time. And it has the little shimmers. I think it's really, really nice. I don't want to go too far up because I'm going to put pink now. Alright, so now I want to put in like this pink color, which is called Groove, which is right there. And I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics flatter brush. This is a 102. And I could cut the crease to make it more poppy, but I don't want to do that. I just kind of want a little bit of pink. I want it to be faded. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I did take that blue a little further than I would like, but that's alright. This is makeup. We play, we fix, we correct. We do what we need to do. So here we go. Ooh, this is so cute, you guys. I gotta look down so I can see my whole lid and know exactly precisely where I'm putting some color. Alright. Now I'm gonna go back into this fairer brush and go back into that brown shade Chic. And just a little bit and kind of, yeah, you know, get those colors blended. The pink and the blue. Just get it nice and blended. But I am going to go back a little bit into the blue shade because one eye has just a tad bit more blue than the other. And we want to make sure they're even. Alright, now go back into that fairer brush and we're just going to try to blend out those harsh lines. Well, not try, we are going to blend out those harsh lines. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. I feel like mermaid vibes, like on the cool. I really do feel like, I feel like mermaid vibes with this. With this blue and pink. But yes, we're going to get that on there. Super pretty. Alright, let's get a tad bit more pink. Alright, in that center area. Alright, there we go. That looks pretty damn good to me. Let me go on and line my eyes and put my lashes on off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I got my lashes on. So I just need to line my lips and I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Color Pop Lippy Pencil in BFF3. And just line my lips. And fix my mirror, y'all, so I can see. There we go. I like my line lips to be a little thick, so I do it twice. And then I'm just gonna paint this pretty pink and black my life away. Do it again. And black till you can't black no more. Okay? So I'm just going to hit it up with the lip liner again, just so it's nice and blended. There we go. Love it. And then I'm going to take my Morphe Times Jeffree Star Setting Spray and Starberry, and I'm going to set my face. Whew. So here we go. This is the finished look, and I am pleased with it. What do you guys think? I think it's really, really cute and definitely different for me. I use shimmer on the outside and matte on the inside, which I've never done that. As you know, if you guys know me, I wear a lot of shimmers on my lids, and I wanted to kind of switch it up and do, like, if I don't do all matte, it's either all shimmers or matte and shimmer, and usually matte is in the crease or on the outside corner and not on the lid, but this time I wanted to switch it up, and I think it came out pretty cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, this is today's look, you guys. And today's look matches what I got on. I have on a blue with some pink shirt. So I think that, you know, super cute and just fun. I'm not really going anywhere, and I just wanted to play with the palette. So yes, that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you want to see me do another look with this palette, just comment that down below and give this video a thumbs up, so that way I know you want to see another look, and I'll go on and do that for you guys. But until next time, you guys stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.